Category: Valentine's Day History. Though a sweet symbol of modern romance, these treats were first marketed as a supposed cough suppressant and come in heart-shaped boxes on Valentine's Day. Answer: chocolates. Before becoming a quintessential Valentine's Day gift, chocolate was often sold with medicinal claims in the 19th century, including supposed benefits for sore throats. Imagine these being marketed today as cold remedies. Did you get this one right? How about we try another new one?